예쁜 외모를 가졌지만 노숙자로 생활 중인 주인공 켈리. 그녀는 조나스와 함께 활동했고
I'm hungry.
Let's go.
쓰레기통을 뒤져보지만 딱히 소득이 없었습니다.
You guys sell phone cards?
We do.
결국 마트에서 물건을 훔치는데
Hey, he's stealing!
You with him?
No.
You are with him.
Hey, you want a cigarette?
I got you this.
Thank you.
It's just a fucking cake.
I know.
이들은 약에 취해 하루하루를 그저 살아가고 있을 뿐이었습니다. 다음날 또다시 돈이 될 만한 것을 찾아 나서는 조나스.
Can't believe we're leaving tonight at 9.
That's 4 weeks away.
Exactly.
Remember what the code is?
Yes, Mrs.
First 4 numbers of the address.
그는 이곳에서 부자로 보이는 한 여성이 집을 비우게 된 것을 알게 되고
Make a fucking move.
뒤를 쫓아 집을 알아내고자 합니다. 그리고 이 집은 어마어마한 규모를 자랑하는 저택이었죠.
What is that?
무사히 도망치는 데 성공합니다. 한편 켈리는 약에 취해 불량해 보이는 남자들과 함께 있었고
Kelly.
Whatever.
Kelly, we gotta get out of here. Where you going, man?
그렇게 하룻밤이 지나가고
Hello?
What do you think?
Where are we? How did you find this place?
Well, it's ours. For like a month.
Jackpot! This guy's got some taste.
Look, it's a family.
Here, try that.
You know that this is one of the most expensive liquors in the world?
Should we be doing this? I mean, it's their house.
Right? We don't worry.
Tonight, we celebrate.
They have everything.
That telescope's probably worth $1,000 alone.
What?
Take a bath. It looks awesome.
그리고 집에 있는 금고를 발견한 조나스. 여기엔 거액의 현금과 귀중품들이 가득했습니다.
Jesus.
What do you think?
Look rich.
Feel like it, but you didn't think I could look like this. Feels pretty good.
Oh, looks pretty good.
켈리는 조나스에게도 꾸미기를 권했고 그 사이 이 집 주인의 가족 비디오를 시청해보죠.
Ready to meet our son?
Well, Mr. Silverman, I think the next step would be graduate.
그녀는 이들의 비디오를 보며 왠지 대리만족이 되었고
You look amazing.
Thanks.
한껏 꾸민 이들은 차를 끌고 밖에 나가보기로 하죠.
Why?
이어 고급 식당에 왔고
Every night we would hit the market next door, see them drinking their fine wine. Fuck, I always wanted to eat here.
Comes with some excellent wine pairings.
Great, we'll have the same.
신난 조나스와 달리 켈리는 긴장해 보였는데
Please, just try and relax.
Okay.
It's funny. I've got $1,000 right here, and I held $1,000 in your hand. Come on, it feels good, doesn't it?
It's the best meal I ever had.
다시 집으로 돌아와 시간을 보내고 있었는데
Get the lights.
순간 지나가던 차량의 라이트에 놀라 묘한 상황이 만들어졌고
Why did you bring me here?
Those guys, they could have fucked you up.
You could have left me on the boardwalk with someone.
Why do you want me to spell it out for you? I can take care of you. I like taking care of you.
그렇게 뜨거운 상황이 이어지나 싶었는데
No, Jonas. No, stop. Get off. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me.
그리고 다음날 아침 누군가 집 문을 두들겼고
Just go along with whatever I say.
Where's that one?
They're on vacation.
We're family.
Yeah, we're just taking care of the house while they're on my work phone.
Handyman. Totally spaced it out. Take it easy.
무사히 상황을 넘기는 데 성공합니다.
I need to start unloading this stuff.
What stuff? There's one ring you can't hold. David's father's ring. It's the only thing he has to remember.
How do you know all this?
The videos.
이들은 유품인 반지를 제외한 귀중품들을 훔치려 했고
It's a long, funny story, my friend. I have a lot of shit to sell. If you know somebody big time, big enough to handle this. Come on! Well, I set it up.
What?
Meeting the guy tonight, so we'll see. A score this big, it could change everything for us.
물건을 판매하러 온 조나스.
Down there.
So, in addition to the Cayenne, there's a 2010 Carrera. I have price evaluations for these items and the Kelly Blue Book on the cars.
그런데 켈리가 팔지 말라고 한 반지까지 실수로 가져와 버렸고
Oh, I simply absolutely must have this. Do we have a deal?
Yes, sir.
결국 반지까지 함께 팔게 되었죠. 그 시각 켈리는 또다시 가족 비디오를 보고 있었고
What? I'm fine.
그녀는 이 집에 스테판이라는 딸이 죽게 된 사실을 알게 됩니다. 그리고 잠에 든 켈리.
Michael, can you tell the driver to take my bags upstairs?
갑자기 예정보다 빨리 집주인이 돌아왔고
Smells like smoke in here. Michael, did you let someone stay here while we were gone?
Someone call Terrence and ask him if he stayed over.
이들은 누군가 집에 침입했음을 바로 느낄 수 있었죠.
We've been robbed.
Check my jewelry.
It's gone.
틈을 노려 탈출에 성공한 켈리.
What happened?
They came home after you sell the ring.
Ring.
Oh, you did.
Great, well, I don't give a fuck about you.
Pull over. Fuck you!
I'm sorry. Can't ditch it. This is the only thing I have left in this fucked up thing. Change the plates.
Order me a coffee. Right back. I just need to freshen up a little.
켈리는 그대로 조나스를 떠나버리고 말았죠. 그리고 다음날 집에 포스터로 걸려 있었던 찰리의 영화를 보러 온 켈리. 이 넓은 극장에 그녀 혼자였는데 누군가 들어옵니다. 그 남자는 놀랍게도 숨어 살던 집주인의 아들 마이클이었고 그는 자신처럼 독특한 취향을 가진 켈리에게 첫눈에 반해버렸죠.
It's an old print. Break sometime. You don't look like a big Charlie Chaplin fan. Do I know you from somewhere?
I don't think so.
I'm Michael. I'll tell you how the film ends. Come on. Beautiful girl went to see a Charlie Chaplin movie tonight.
You don't know me.
So who are you? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you feel uncomfortable. Will you let me give you a ride?
아이러니하게도 둘은 서로에게 이끌렸고
It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it up here.
I had a sister. She died about 3 years ago. Oh, shit. I'm so late. Come on. You have dinner with me tonight?
Sure.
Yeah?
She came into the theater and sat down right next to you. Sounds pretty interesting.
Yeah, she's...
That's the way it starts.
What's that?
Love, and if it is true love, then it's a blessing.
하지만 두려웠던 켈리는 마이클에게 거절의 쪽지를 남겼는데
Hey, can I get a one-way to Barstow?
결국 표까지 취소하며 늦은 밤 마이클을 다시 찾아왔습니다.
I'm sorry. I tried. This is nice.
I love spending time with you. Will you go to dinner with me tonight? At my parents' house? You have nothing to worry about. They're really nice.
Let me think about it, okay?
Okay.
한편 갑자기 집주인이 돌아와 거래를 지키지 못한 조나스는 공경에 처했고
I'm gonna sell you the Cayenne for half, and then we'll just call it even.
I wouldn't give that car to my mother.
No problem. All right, man, I'm sorry.
No, please don't.
I can get it.
Please, I'll get it. I'll get the Carrera. I'll get it. Please don't. No. I'll get it. I'll get to the car.
Are you on your way yet?
Yeah, we're leaving now.
Don't be late.
Are you nervous?
Of course I'm nervous. I'm meeting your parents.
Hey, Dad.
It's such a great pleasure to meet you.
It's nice, huh?
It's amazing.
Wow, look at that.
I record everything.
식사 도중 마이클이 잠시 현관으로 향했는데
sorry to interrupt dinner. All of you looking so.
This has nothing to do with you, please.
It was you two?
I'm sorry.
그녀는 마이클에게 자신의 잘못을 고했고
You can have anything you want.
Of course.
Okay.
The Carrera. Great. Kelly. Now we go.
Sorry.
Just fucking leave.
I'm sorry I did it.
Be one of them, be nice and pretty and rich. You're trash! Like me! They'll never let you go. That's how it works in this.
Here.
You think I can take a piss? Robbery taking place at 734 Sycamore in Hollywood. I thought about it, and I want a new daddy. Nice ring.
Oh, yes, thank you. Now hand it back.
It's not your ring.
Shit, get back the ring! The ring. Give it back to me. Come on now. Let's have it. Come on. You're a brave one.
그때 경찰들이 들이닥치며 상황은 종료되죠.
Well, I am happy to report that we recovered your belongings. She ratted them out, called 911 from the bathroom.
마이클은 켈리가 병원에 입원한 사실을 듣게 되고
I'm looking for Kelly, Tanner. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
That was the only thing she had on her. Wouldn't let go of it for dear life.
그로부터 3주 조나스가 켈리를 찾아오는데
Kelly, this is my lawyer.
알고 보니 조나스는 매우 부유한 집안의 아들이었고 조나스는 켈리를 도와주려 했죠.
Counsel in your defense if you need it. Ronald Smythe.
Just give us a minute. Just take a walk.
You remember you asked me one time how I wound up on the street? It's because my dad kicked me out. He took a swing at me after I got the tattoo.
Sounds like an asshole.
He is.
I'm not lying or cheating anymore. I'm telling the fucking truth in court.
얼마 후 이들의 죄에 대한 재판이 열렸고
Fine of $50,000, 200 hours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Kelly Tanner pleaded guilty, turned herself in.
Just let me pay it.
She can lay out the obligations of being on parole.
Kelly.
크로아티아로 친구를 만나러 온 주인공 베스.
First time in Croatia?
It's beautiful.
In case you need the taxi while you're.
Thank you, Zane. You made it! I can't believe we're finally here. We're doing this. Airbnb deluxe. Wow, Kate, this is incredible. Never going home. Think Rob would notice.
Probably. Who cares? 2 weekends away.
We're best friends.
I got you something.
I've really missed you so much.
Oh!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Send it back.
No! I love it.
베스는 로비라는 남편과 아이가 있었으며
Oh, hey, Rob. How's it going?
Don't get too drunk.
We will.
I'll call you tomorrow, okay?
Have a good time.
Bye.
Love you.
나가는 길에 집주인 세바스찬과 마주합니다.
Have you settled in okay?
Yeah, hi, I'm Beth.
케이트는 현재 남편과 이혼 소송 중이었고
I should have been there for you.
You had a baby. You're forgiven. I'm fine. How's things with Rob? Are you getting any at least?
Over a year.
Wow. Is he not doing it for you anymore?
No, it's not Rob.
The body never lies. If you're not happy, take it from me. Divorce is the answer.
A rough patch.
You've said that before.
Here we are. One for you.
Thank you.
케이트는 할 말이 있어 보였지만 음식이 나오며 대화가 끊겼고
Relive our misspent youth.
이들은 2차로 이동해 더 화끈하게 놀고자 했죠.
The entrance is just around there.
Thank you, Zane.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
2 gin and tonics. Mind if we join you?
이곳에서 남자들과 합석하게 되고
Do you want to see pictures of my baby?
Well, when was the last time you got hit on by someone that hard?
He's not hitting on me.
Just saying you need to get back on the horse.
I'm married.
One night of excitement might bring you out of your rut.
그러다 한순간 필름이 끊기게 되고
We were just saying how you should come back to us.
정신없이 잠에서 깨어난 베스.
Kate?
그런데 어디에서도 케이트가 보이지 않았고 그녀는 роб에게 연락해 봅니다.
Already noon and Kate hasn't come home.
Okay.
I drank a bit much.
Honestly, I can barely remember.
She didn't leave a note and she hasn't texted me either.
케이트가 걱정이 된 그녀는 집주인 세바스찬을 찾아갔고
Have you seen my friend? I'm looking for her. You haven't seen her, have you?
No. And I have to charge you for the 2 extra guests.
Let me see her photo.
So you brought 2 men back to your apartment and you don't remember the names.
이번엔 실종 신고를 하기 위해 경찰을 찾아왔습니다.
She's not answering her phone.
하지만 경찰은 이를 진지하게 받아들이지 않았고
Can I file a missing persons report?
You can't.
Because you need to wait 24 hours.
Hello?
Zane? Thanks for picking me up.
I was close by. It's no bother. Did you lose something?
My friend.
이번엔 어제 갔던 술집으로 향해 봅니다.
You served us. We were sitting right there with two guys.
What are you doing?
Figured you could use some help.
그리고 베스를 적극적으로 도와주는 제인.
Escorts? As in,
Then your friend must have.
Might bring you out of your rut.
oh my god. I wondered why he was into me.
The barman says he's seen them in there a lot. He only knew their first name, Theo and Luca.
베스는 인스타를 통해 남자들을 찾아낼 수 있었고
I think I found them.
제인이 빌미를 만들어 그들을 약속 장소로 유인할 작전을 세웠죠.
How'd you two meet?
Kate and me? We were roommates. I met my husband Rob through her. How did you meet your wife?
Mina, believe me when I say I was a nice guy and agreed to go out with her.
Is Mina okay with you helping me?
She's dead.
그때 전에 만났던 남자들이 나타나는데 그들은 베스를 보자마자 도망치기 시작합니다.
Where is she? I've done nothing. So why you run just now?
What is he saying?
They took her handbag. Pustime, vaimule. They pawned it.
Did you drug me? Did you put something in my water?
No! You told me, please, I'll get you the bag, okay? Please.
전당포로 이동해 케이트의 가방을 찾았고
They're hers.
You think you were drugged?
I've never been that drunk.
Why didn't they take your bag too? Maybe Kate drugged you.
No, she would never hurt me. I know they know more.
Maybe don't mention my name. If they revoke my visa, I have no. Call me if you need me, okay?
Well, I couldn't wait. Something must have happened to her.
다시 한 번 더 경찰에 실종 신고를 하는 베스.
You didn't file it.
He told me to come back in 24 hours. Something bad has happened to her.
I'm sorry about my colleague. Is it possible you may have been assaulted? For a drug test and a checkup.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Checkout is 11. Your friend is still missing.
Yeah. I'm staying until they find her.
I have a spare room downstairs. If your friend shows up, at least you will be close by.
그렇게 새로운 방에 더 머물기로 한 베스.
I think you're gonna love it.
케이트의 스마트폰은 잠겨 있어서 정보를 얻을 수가 없었고
Have you eaten? I know a very good Syrian.
Rob?
그런데 롭도 이곳에 나타났고
Sorry, I'm interrupting something.
No, this is Zane.
Okay, I'll go.
Okay. I just told you he's a taxi driver.
Who you were going out to dinner with?
Come here.
I didn't mean to upset you.
그리고 이때 걸려온 한 전화.
Hello?
She's been in the water for some time. So,
Oh my god.
it's too soon to say. The autopsy will tell us more.
Or do you think she was killed?
We need to wait for the result of the.
그로부터 얼마 후
Is the coroner certain?
It's not a murder inquiry. The fact she had sex with multiple partners and
Can I see her? I want to say goodbye.
다시 한 번 더 케이트를 보러 온 베스.
Can I have a minute, please?
we need to go.
I have to.
이제야 케이트의 핸드폰을 열어볼 수 있게 됩니다. 그리고 충격적인 진실을 마주하게 되는데 바로 롭과 케이트가 바람을 피고 있었던 것이었죠.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. It shows high levels of cocaine and ketamine in Kate's system. Of your blood work came back too. They also found traces of cat. They deny giving you any illegal substances. A taxi driver picked them up outside your apartment.
그런데 상황이 오히려 베스가 범인으로 몰리고 있었고
And several people saw you and Kate arguing when you left.
You think I have something to do with Kate's murder?
We need your passport until we can verify your statement. Let's hope your story checks out.
What if she did drug me?
Not know if I had or hadn't.
Do you think he could have killed
I
Kate?
spoke to him over the weekend home with Astor.
Never trust people. Only your instincts.
I know, Rob.
No, you know what?
About you and Kate. That you were sleeping with her for months.
It didn't mean anything.
Did you love her?
Of course I didn't.
Find out about the affair, they'll have a damn good reason too.
So sorry.
Shut up.
그리고 얼마 후
Beth Jenner, we are arresting you on suspicion of the murder of Kate Thompson.
이번엔 제인에 대해 언급하는 경찰들.
How did the two of you meet?
He drives a taxi.
Why didn't you tell us he was with you when you confronted the Mr. Zakaria is connected to organized crime.
What?
You didn't know this about him.
He killed Kate, and you hired him.
Why would I want Kate dead?
Because she was having an affair. You didn't think we'd find out.
I only found out yesterday. I want a lawyer.
It is only because they don't have enough evidence yet.
I didn't do anything.
Before you say anything to incriminate yourself.
숙소로 돌아오니 제인이 기다리고 있었고
What are you doing here?
I needed to see you.
You have links to an Albanian criminal gang. I don't know who to believe.
I saved the life of a boy who'd been hit with shrapnel. He got me out of Aleppo, crossed the border into Turkey, then here.
제인은 자신이 범죄 조직과 연루되지 않았음을 이야기합니다. 그 후로 거울을 보며 생각이 잠긴 베스, 무언가 이상함을 느낍니다. 거울에 카메라가 설치되어 있었고
Oh my god. Hello?
Are you looking for something?
I'm hungry. Could I get the Wi-Fi password?
틈을 노려 세바스찬의 키를 훔쳤고
What happened with the police? They let you go.
I don't know.
Goodbye then.
그가 평소 작업실이라고 말한 잠겨있던 방에 들어가 보는데
What? You're filming everything. Did you film Friday?
Somebody's gotta have a beautiful night of sleep.
Don't take too long.
Son of a bitch!
Who's that with her?
It's our security!
What is that? No, don't delete them! The evidence!
Beth!
Go, go, go!
Come back!
Oh my god, this is a nightmare.
Then we can go to the police. We will explain. It will be okay.
베스는 새벽에 케이트를 태웠던 택시기사를 만나러 왔고
You picked up a woman early Saturday morning around 3.
Yes, you was. Сейчас.
Полицейскую постою.
The police station.
알고 보니 케이트는 이미 가방 도난 신고를 한 상황이었죠.
Come on.
Jeden pokrył na prowas!
His car. I saw the sticker in the security footage. Oh my god, oh my god. It was him.
일단 상황을 모면하기 위해 제인이 시선을 끌기로 했고 베스는 처음 실종 신고를 떨떠름하게 받았던 이 남자 경찰의 차가 CCTV에 찍혔던 것을 보고 이 남자가 범인이라 생각했습니다.
You killed her. You hit on her and she rejected you.
순식간에 벌어진 사고.
Hi, we found security footage, camera on the boardwalk. Kovic drove Kate home after she reported her bag stolen. When she rejected him, he took it badly and then dumped her body in the harbor while she was still alive.
In case you want to press charges against your landlord.
Are you okay?
Thank you.
얼마 후 일상으로 돌아온 베스. 그녀는 롭과는 별거 중이었고
I just put the kettle on. Did you...
I'm good.
Beth.
You know, I think you might have my spare car key.
The bowl in the hallway? Or in my jacket?
그런데 롭의 재킷에서 예상치 못한 물건을 발견하죠.
Oh my god. Fine, I can send it back.
You find the key?
Can I use your bathroom?
Kovac.
It's me.
What's wrong?
It wasn't Pavic. It was...
You okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay for that cup of tea.
Looking at me strangely deep.
It wasn't Pavic. It was you. It's only 2 hours.
It's insane.
Flew back by Saturday morning. It's from her necklace. And I found it in your jacket.
I can explain. It was an accident.
Oh my
I
god.
was terrified she told you. She kept threatening to, and I thought if she had, I could at least be there to talk. Kate!
Jesus. What the hell are you doing here?
Let's go. Come on, come on. She ended up down by the water, and we talked. Have you told her? We're going to ruin her life. Kate, you want to do that? Because I don't.
How many times? It meant nothing.
How can you say it meant nothing?
Stop. What happened between us was a mistake.
It wasn't.
From now on, I'm only telling the truth.
Come on. Please. It just happened.
You let her drown.
Listen!
No, I don't have to listen to you. I will never listen to you again.
Just think about us. You wanted to grow up without Dad. No, you are not calling the police.
Are you there? I got it all. The police are on their way. Beth!
이렇게 걸어가는 패스의 모습을 마지막으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 나일스는 미스티라는 여자친구가 있었고
Because this is truly a sacred day.
오늘은 미스티의 절친인 탈라의 결혼식이 있는 날이었습니다. 모든 게 무료해 보이는 나일스.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday, it's all the same.
그리고 신부 탈라의 언니인 세라도 참여했죠.
I'd like to welcome up the actual big sister of the bride, Sarah.
예정이 없던 연설에 세라는 당황했고 그 순간 나일스가 나타나 마이크를 잡습니다.
But we're all just lost, am I right?
갑자기 나타나 뛰어난 언변을 보여주었고
Everyone here is your family. So raise a glass. But now you are found.
이어 세라에게 의미심장한 눈빛을 보내는 나일스. 세라도 그런 그가 싫지 않았습니다.
What are you smelling?
Orchid Explosion by Fournier.
Tala got it for me as a birthday present last year, and if I didn't wear it, she'd cheers.
Cheers.
You're Misty's boyfriend?
So what's your deal? You don't dance? You don't want to maybe go someplace where we could be alone, do you?
What would Misty think about us running off together?
나일스는 그 시각 미스티도 바람피고 있는 중인 것을 보여주고
This is so fucked up. It's kind of hot though.
그렇게 장소를 옮겨 뜨거운 사랑을 나누고 있던 중
Doesn't everybody?
갑자기 나일스에게 화살을 쏘는 의문의 남자가 있었고
Keep running, shitbird. I will always find you.
도망치는 데 성공한 나일스는 불빛이 있는 어느 동굴로 향합니다.
Don't come in here!
빛에 빨려들더니 똑같은 하루를 시작하는 나일스.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday, it's all the same.
What the fuck did you do to me?
그런데 오늘 하루는 무언가 달라진 것 같습니다.
Tell me what the fuck is going on?
사실 나일스는 타임루프에 갇혀 매일 같은 날이 반복되고 있었는데 어제 나일스를 따라 동굴의 빛에 들어간 세라도 같은 타임루프에 들어오고 만 것이었죠.
November 9th. What the fuck?
Guess you followed me.
What's going on?
This is today. It's one of those infinite time loop situations you might have heard about.
Tomorrow to be tomorrow.
Unfortunately, that's never gonna happen.
Which way is that cave?
다시 동굴을 찾으러 온 세라.
Where is it?
Wait for it. I am the Antichrist. Check it out. Opens up the cave. Once you go in, the whole day just resets to wherever you woke up this morning. You're wasting your time!
동굴에 다시 들어가도 그대로 리셋될 뿐이었습니다.
Wake up.
Sarah, what the hell are you? Sarah, what are you doing? Are you fucking cheating on me?
You're cheating on me, you goof. Don't know what it is. It could be life, it could be death, is to embrace the fact that nothing matters.
Well, then what's the point of living?
No, I'm gonna get out of this. What are you doing?
Bracing for a quick death. There's nothing worse than slowly dying in the ICU. See you tomorrow.
이번엔 나일스에게 화를 쏜 남자에 대해 물어보는데
That was Roy. He was a guest at the wedding.
Why was he trying to kill you?
I partied with Roy.
Do you ever wonder if people think you're boring?
Are you being a dick to the bartender?
I like your hat.
Of course you do.
이들은 대화가 잘 통해 한순간에 친구가 되었고
What do you say, man? You want to dance a little bit? Bag of sweets in his pocket.
You were right. Got him.
The greatest night. I wish I could just live out here forever.
Follow me.
약에 취한 나일스는 로이를 동굴로 데려와 버렸죠.
Wait, Roy, wait. Luckily, he lives in Irvine and wakes up there every day.
나일스를 원망한 로이는 그를 붙잡아 고문도 했었고
I vowed to never bring anyone into this life ever again.
You fuck other people in here?
Great question.
You must.
What's going on with your sex life?
I'm not gonna sleep with you.
This is kind of a safe house for me.
여러 방법을 시도해도 돌아갈 수 없자 세라도 이 시간을 즐기기로 합니다. 어느새 둘은 서로에 대한 감정이 깊어져 갔고
Ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da! What about your life before you got stuck in here? What was your job?
I honestly can't remember. Such a long time.
그날 밤 세라는 나일스에게 자신을 허락합니다.
Let's just get it over with.
Okay.
그렇게 뜨거운 시간이 지나가고 또다시 아침이 시작되는데
Hey, sorry. You should probably go.
자신의 여동생과 결혼할 에이브가 있었고 결혼식 전날 자신이 에이브와 잠자리를 가졌다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Sarah?
Yeah.
Kind of good. Because last night.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
그때 갑자기 경찰이 이들을 쫓았고
Him?
Roy.
Fucker. You're not gonna take care of this? Someone has to.
Should always go with that first instinct, shitbird.
세라의 돌발 행동에 나일스는 당황하게 됩니다.
I was just saving you. You should be thanking me. He was gonna kill you.
뒤이어 경찰이 나타나며 상황은 인달락되는데 둘은 말다툼이 일어납니다.
Out of nowhere, you just start acting like a child.
I got stuck in this shit because you got me stuck in it.
I followed you into that cave because I liked you, and someone was trying.
I sure as hell would never have fucked you.
Like 1,000 times.
순간 세라가 이해하지 못할 말을 하는 나일스.
I lied, okay? We did hook up before. A lot. I don't know, maybe I should have told you, but I didn't want to tell you.
알고 보니 나일스는 결혼식 축사에서 세라를 도운 뒤 그녀와 수많은 잠자리를 가졌었고
I'm getting out of this day.
이에 충격을 받은 세라는 다음 날부터 모습을 감추어 버립니다. 세라가 떠나고 무료한 일상이 반복되는데 그는 피로연에 참여해 에이브의 방에서 세라의 향수 냄새를 맡게 됩니다.
Abe slept here last night.
Yeah. What's up?
Abraham, you slick fuck. I get it. Your sister and Abraham boned each other.
그리고 급발진을 해버리는 나일스.
The distinct scent of Orchid Explosion by Fournier. Where Orchid Explosion by Fournier?
Oh my god.
Fuck all of you. Sarah's a good person.
결국 결혼식은 아수라장이 되었고 그 후로도 괴로워하던 그는 로이를 찾아가 보기로 합니다.
Turning myself in.
The fuck are you doing here?
I give up. You win.
이곳에서 로이의 자녀들을 보게 되고
Twins, not bad, huh? Beautiful wife, beautiful kids. Ended up in the hospital last time I saw you. I had a lot of anger towards you, man. Never gonna walk little Livy down the aisle. A little stint in the hospital really opened my eyes, though. This was always a good day here.
로이는 마음이 바뀌어 현재의 삶에 만족하고 있었고
You gotta find your Irvine. We all have an Irvine. Nothing worse than going through this shit alone.
Would you kill me one more time?
I hope you find it, man.
Yeah.
그렇다면 세라는 그날 이후 어떤 삶을 살고 있을까요?
That was awful and crazy, and it should never have happened. But I am done being shitty.
그녀는 그날 이후 매일 양자 물리학을 공부했고 타임루프를 벗어날 수 있는 방법에 대해 연구했습니다.
Okay. Sounds like you do need my help.
그리고 마침내 그 방법을 알게 된 세라.
Wake up.
Hey.
So how have you been?
Oh, so bad for lying, for not telling you about our past. Do you think there's any way we could just start over?
I think I found a way out.
Huh?
In the 3.2 seconds it takes to travel through the loop itself.
We blow up ourselves in the cave during that window.
To where?
I don't know, but we have to try.
The cave's not going anywhere. What's the big rush?
You scared to leave?
I just don't want to leave. At least in here, we get to be together.
You have lost your mind. Everything that we are doing in here is fucking meaningless.
Come with me.
And I'm saying no.
Goodbye, Niles.
그녀는 떠나기 전 자신이 할 수 있는 것들에 대해 고민했고
Thank you. You have beautiful skin.
Actual maid of honor, the big sister of the bride, Sarah.
And I was truly terrified of the world. Kept having these really asleep next to me, holding me. And I never had another nightmare. That's really special. I never ever be learning from you. And now, Abe.
Don't fuck this up.
I won't.
Good.
You smell so good.
Sarah, wait! Wait!
그런데 떠나기 직전 나일스가 나타났고
I've realized that I am completely codependent. You're my favorite person that I've ever met. And if it kills us, well then I'd rather die with you.
What if we get sick of each other?
We're already sick of each other.
But there's a chance that this life can be a little less mundane.
That's a super low bar. That's a great place to start.
Come on, let's see if we blow up and die. In case I don't see you again, I love you too. So now what do we do?
그렇게 타임루프를 벗어난 모습을 마지막으로 영화는 끝이 납니다.